Today I am making a very simple eggless whole wheat butter cake. The texture and taste came out so good, but something unexpected happened. This is the first time it has ever happened to me. So, in this video, I will show you exactly what I did, why it happened, and how you can avoid it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Cakelicious Neha. Let's start the recipe. All the ingredients has to be at room temperature. So first, I melt my butter in a microwave for 10 to 20 seconds. Then add yogurt and sugar followed by vanilla. Whisk everything together until it turns smooth and well combined. Next, sift in whole wheat flour along with baking powder and baking soda. Sifting really helps with whole wheat cakes because it makes the final texture softer. Mix everything well using cut and fold method. Don't mix vigorously. I always prefer using spatula instead of balloon whisk for mixing the batter. To adjust the consistency, add milk little by little or just enough to bring the batter together. You want the batter to be smooth but not too thin. Fold in some chocolate chips into the batter. Now pour the batter into a lined cake pan and top it with some more chocolate chips on the top. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 35 to 40 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let the cake cool down for some time and then demold it. And here is where the unexpected part happened. Because my batter ended up a bit thinner than I usually make it, and the chocolate chips I used were large in size, they all sank to the bottom during baking. So, if we are using a whole wheat flour, it's always better to keep the batter slightly thicker, and smaller chocolate chips work much better. Even though the chocolate chips sank, the cake itself turned out soft, moist and absolutely delicious. I am sharing this video so you can learn from these two small mistakes. Real baking isn't always perfect, but that's how we learn. Don't you think so? Detailed recipe is written in the description below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, happy baking!